Starting a pool cleaning service in South Africa involves several key steps. Here's a general guide to help you get started. Conduct market research to assess the demand for pool cleaning services in your target area. Identify your target market, such as residential pool owners, commercial establishments, or both. Analyze the competition and identify ways to differentiate your services. Outline your business objectives, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. Determine the legal structure of your business, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, or company. Calculate the startup costs, including equipment, supplies, licensing fees, insurance, and marketing expenses. Register your business with the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, CIPC, if you opt for a company structure. Obtain necessary permits and licenses, such as a business license and any specialized permits required for pool cleaning services. Acquire equipment and supplies. Purchase or lease essential equipment like pool cleaning tools, vacuums, brushes, nets, chemicals, and testing kits. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers of pool cleaning chemicals and supplies. Insurance and legal considerations. Consult with an insurance professional to obtain liability insurance coverage to protect your business against potential accidents or damages. Comply with health and safety regulations and adhere to industry standards for pool maintenance and cleaning. Create a professional website that highlights your services, contact information, and testimonials. Utilize online platforms and social media channels to promote your services and engage with potential customers. Network with local real estate agents, property management companies, and other relevant professionals who can refer clients to you. Offer promotional discounts or referral incentives to attract new customers. Service execution and customer satisfaction. Develop a systematic approach to pool cleaning, including water testing, chemical balancing, debris removal, and equipment maintenance. Provide exceptional customer service by being punctual, reliable, and responsive to customer inquiries or concerns. Consider offering additional services such as pool repairs, equipment installation, or regular maintenance plans to increase revenue opportunities. Remember, it's essential to comply with all legal and regulatory requirements, prioritize customer satisfaction, and continuously market and expand your customer base to ensure the success of your pool cleaning service in South Africa.